Hi guys, it's Marky. How's it going, guys? Today we're gonna check out a bunch of cars from my collection, and also the brand new Johnny Lightning Import Heat Series 1982 Mazda Rx-7 and the 1981 Datsun 280ZX. So Mazda and Datsun. Here we have one of the Mazdas I'm gonna show you from my collection. We'll compare them to the new Datsuns. All these are Mazdas on the left. Some are Hot Wheels, some are Tomicas, some are Matchbox. Here we go. These are Datsuns over here. Datsun. Another Datsun. Ideal Corporation on that one. And have a couple of the green ones and one of this silver. And let's get right into it. Let's start by reviewing the brand new ones, and we'll compare them to some of the ones I have in my collection. Not all of them, but some of the Mazdas and Datsuns I have in my collection. Now this is pretty cool. Johnny Lightning Import Heat. Authentically replicated colors and graphics. Die-cast metal body and chassis. Important facts right here. The Mazda Rx-7 was built from 78 to 2002. And this one here represents, this 1982 represents a series 2 of the first design generation. So that would be this Mazda up here in white. And then the Datsun, well, depending on the country, some places they call it the Fairlady Z or the Fairlady 280Z. And that's the same as the 1981 Datsun 280ZX. Let's just go ahead and get them out. Comes in a double pack. They have this new series of double packs, which is pretty cool. So here we go. Here's the 1982 Mazda Rx-7. Let's bring it up closer. Wow, some really nice details on this one. Really cool. All right, so this one has mirrors on the side, painted in black. It is a left side driver. The markings are Johnny Lightning. And where's the the name of the car? There's no name under here that I can see. And it's a metal base. You can see the exhaust heading this way, all the way towards the back and showing right there. Look how skinny the little tires, or how skinny these tires are. A nice license plate there. Beautiful lights on the back. We do have a windshield wiper on the back here. And there's a little lock. MSG 089 Missouri plates. The Show Me State, July. And then we have these lights, parking lights on the sides there, on the front fender, back fender. And we do have that trim down the middle in white as well. Chrome plastic wheels, and the tires are rubber, made of rubber. All die cast on the base, all die cast on top. We do have a clear glass. You can see inside. Tall bucket seats with the headrests. All the wiper blades are painted in black. Black mirrors on the side there, and side view mirrors. And it looks like it opens the hood. Let's see. Can we get it open by just tapping? Doesn't look like it. Not sure if I'm going to be able to get it open. Feels really tight. I'll grab something and see if we can open that. And check it out. We have this little metal piece right here. And it's all painted black and white. Little black area there, that grill. The lights are pop-up lights. Beautiful Mazda. The 1982 Mazda Rx-7. Now this one, back here it says Mazda Rx-7 and Datsun 280ZX are early 80s Japanese classics that surprised the competition and paved the way for what was to come in the Japanese tuning car world. The Mazda Rx-7 is most noted for its nimble handling, lightweight chassis, and revolutionary high revving rotary engine. This nimble sport coupe went on to win a record number of races in IMSA competition, as well as several 24-hour events. Then they talk about the Datsun after that. And they do say that these the Datsun kind of like helped shape the culture of fast turbocharged Japanese imports. There's a bunch of information on the pack there. So I do have another Mazda just to compare. So this one's an 82. This one here is a Matchbox Superfast by Matchbox Savannah Rx7, 1979 Leslie Productions and Company Limited, made in Hong Kong. So this one's a 79. Well, I don't know if it's a 79. Savannah Rx7, copyrighted 1979. Don't know exactly what year this Savannah is, but this one has opening doors. And it is a right side driver. They're pretty similar. Let's compare them a little bit. Side by side here, see? Very similar. Blue one is the Matchbox, and this one is the Johnny Lightning. Very, very cool. Let me see if I can get the hood open. Man, maybe by the end of the video I'll have it open. Here's another one. This one is a Tomica or Tomica Mazda Savannah Rx-7. Also copyrighted 1979, made in Japan. Scale is 160 on this one. Now these numbers here, I don't know if they're the scale. Where were I saw some numbers over here. It's kind of hard to tell if that's the scale or not. So anyways, this one is a Savannah. Has a Mazda name right there in the front. A really nice casting. No mirrors on the side of this one. Opening doors. It is a Tomica or Tomica. For some reason, I like to say Tomica the most, but I'll call it either one. A few different ones here, different takes on a Mazda, Rx-7. Pretty cool. I like this Tomica one. It's really beautiful. Metal base, metal body. Says Rx-7 back there on the plate. It is a right side driver. Rx-7 there on the plate as well. And on the back. Isn't that cool? All metal. Here are the pipes. See how the base compares. There's a few differences there. And then we have the Hot Wheels Savannah. This one's an 89, so big difference. Pipes on each side, one on each side. And we do have the back end looks pretty different. It's changed a little as it goes, as time goes by. And they don't seem to be the same scale. Unless this one was really smaller. The 1982 version of the Rx-7. Pretty cool. I do have the white one, so let's see how it looks next to the white one. This one is also the Hot Wheels 89 Mazda Savannah Rx-7. Johnny Lightning and Hot Wheels on top. It really does look beautiful with all the lights painted in and everything. And look at the scoop on the newer one. And I do have the blue one, which was the latest Hot Wheels release of the Savannah Rx-7. Let's have the white one underneath. Good comparisons here. Really, really cool looking die-cast cars. I do have a 180 here. Hot Wheels 180. 96 Nissan 180 SX. Even newer, 1996. This one has pipes on the left side only. Just thought it'd be cool to show the 180 since I do have also an older 180. This one is a Matchbox. And it says Datsun 180 underneath. Engine in the back. Now this might be a concept car. I don't know. Not real familiar with this car, but might be a concept car. This one came out, you see, copyright 1973. Matchbox Superfast, 1973. Pretty different. All right, let's check out the Datsun. Here's a top view of the Johnny Lightning Datsun. This one is a 280ZX from 1981. You see the mirrors really stand out there. They stick out a long way. Very nice. Get a little closer. Datsun 280ZX. It's a turbo. Nice license plate on there. Kind of hard to read. What does it say? Indiana. Anybody from Indiana watching? Leave a little comment. Let me know where you're watching from. There's a wiper back here. It does have the louvers. Wipers on the front here, the mirrors, the T-tops, those cool louvers on the back there. A beautiful silver, metallic silver color. The handles are painted over in silver. We do have the parking lights, 280ZX, badge right there on the side there, 280ZX Turbo. Really cool tires in rubber, BF Goodrich tires. This one also has a loose tire, it looks like. There we go. Yeah, gotta pop it in a little better. Yeah, that tire's a little bit loose. Here we go. 1999 is a copyright, Playing Mantis. Made in China. Johnny Lightning brand right there. And something written in another language. I can't tell what that says. Really cool bumper in the front. Wow, nice look on the front end here. Let's compare him to the Mazda. So this one's an 81. This one's an 82. Mazda and a Datsun. A really, really cool 2-pack. And by the way, guys, I just found this one at Target. You can find it at Target. Target stores. Has the new Johnny Lightning 2-packs. I love the color combination. The blue interior, blue on the bottom here. Really cool, like a two-tone car. Nice details. Really cool. Look at the vents painted black. The vents back here painted in black. Little badge right there. Such an awesome car. Really cool. I do have a nice Hot Wheels. That's in pretty good shape. This one's really, really nice. Datsun, the Z-Wiz. But we all know what it is. It's definitely a 280Z. No mirrors on the side. No T-tops on this one, but does have the louvers back here. And no little tail like this one here, the Johnny Lightning. Black walls on this one. Let me back up a little so we can see what they look like side by side. This is like a vintage Hot Wheels right here. All green on the back. The new Johnny Lightning has a lot of details, a lot of different colors. Much fatter wheels on the Hot Wheels. Nice black walls. What's the copyright? 1976 copyright. Hong Kong. So this one's pretty old. 1976. But very similar, right? Very similar. And I do have one that's a little more beat up. Been played with. Cool that I found another one that's in nice condition. Got these a long time ago. What's left of the gold on the wheel? Or is that just like paint? Or the chrome came off? I don't know. Haven't looked at it close up there to figure out what that is. There's a scratched up one. And I have another one that's a little bit scratched up, or a lot scratched up. Another Datsun Z-Wiz. In kind of like the chrome color, or kind of like a Zamak, I guess. Or Zamak. Or is it just a silver color that's kind of beat up? Yeah, what a difference when they're nice and clean to one that's all beat up. It's pretty cool to have different versions. Then I have this one by Ideal, which is also a 280. The only place it says it right there, 280ZX, but we can see that it's a 280. There are the louvers, the vents on the hood. And this is an old one, vintage one that have had for a long time. Big rubber tires on the back and then plastic tires in the front. I do have a bunch of these Ideal Toy Corporation 1982 cars. They're really cool. I like them. Pretty neat. I found a bunch of these throughout the years. Searching for die-cast all the time. Pretty nice. Pretty nice to have these. And then here I have some Hot Wheels that are more recent. This one is from 2021, the spring edition. And this is one that's known as the Fair Lady, as the card was saying on there. The Datsun 280 is known as the Fair Lady in some countries. And I really don't know the reason why they have two names, Nissan and Datsun. Right side driver on this one, no mirrors on the side. Really cool graphics on this one. The chrome stripe on the wheels. Copyright 2015. This one's much newer. Let's see how he looks next to the Oops. Not the Mazda, but the Datsun 280ZX. They're very, very similar. Pretty cool. And you see the exhaust on the 280 right there, which is on the left side. Right there. And this Nissan has it on the left side as well. Pretty cool. I do have another 280 or Nissan Fairlady, which looks a lot like the 280. So also this one is pretty recent. Hot Wheels. Does have the little tail in the back. Very similar. Pretty neat, pretty neat. Like these a lot. And I have this one here, 280. And here's the other one. This one is marked Matchbox. I should show you the Matchbox 280ZX 1979 Leslie Productions and Company Limited, made in Hong Kong. So Datsun 280ZX, copyright 1979 by Leslie, but no exact year for the car. Opening doors on this one, and it is a right side driver. This one's a left side driver, but this one is Matchbox. Pretty nice. They have that very similar look. Johnny Lightning on top, Matchbox on the bottom. And I have another Matchbox over here. This one is a Datsun 280Z 2+2. And the copyright is 1978 on this one. And this is the 2+2. So you have 2 seats in the back. You can sit 4 people in this one. Opening doors, right side driver. It does have a tow hook. Pretty cool. The Matchbox, the 2 Matchbox seem to be much bulkier. Similar cars, pretty similar. Look how much bigger the Matchbox look. And then the Hot Wheels, let me see, the Hot Wheels looks, oh, it has those flared fenders. Where's the other Hot Wheels? Let's see. Oh, it looks a little thinner. Right there. And I have this one over here. This one just says Datsun made in Hong Kong. There's no brand or anything. But it's a pretty cool car I found a long time ago. Just a nice Datsun. I had it there with my other Datsun, so I thought I'd show you because it's a same brand, just a different car. I like picking up these old cars when I find them. They're so hard to find though. You don't come across them that often, so when I see them, I'll grab them. I like to go into like little antique stores. Sometimes they have these kind of things. Antique stores and flea markets. It's your best bet to find these old cars, I guess. Very cool. Kind of reminds me of the 510. very similar. Don't know what Datsun this is, but all it says underneath there is Datsun, nothing else. So I keep it next to my Datsun cars. And if I just look up some old vintage Datsun pictures online, I'll probably find out what this is. Pretty cool. These are just two-door cars. Pretty awesome, like these little old cars. And here's that Ideal Corporation one, which is really big. Look at that. I think he's bigger than, yeah, he's bigger than the Matchbox. So the Johnny Lightning one is really tiny compared to that one or that one. Look at that. Or even this one here, Matchbox. It's more even with this old Hot Wheels. Pretty neat. These are so cool. So I love this 2-pack. This new 2-pack by Johnny Lightning. Very awesome. Very, very awesome. I think the Tomica fits nicely next to it. And even the Tomica, it's a little bigger than that Savannah in white. I mean the RX-7 in white. It is a Savannah, so it's a different... It looks a little different, like just a little bit different. It's almost, actually, it's almost the same. It's not too different. Just a bigger size. Probably just off on the scale. Yeah, that's the closest one to the size. Pretty cool, pretty cool. And this one was definitely a little bigger. Yeah. A little bigger. The opening door is so cool. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Just checking out some of the Datsuns and the Mazdas. If you pick this setup, I can tell you it has some really great information on here. You can read this. These are the sets that are available, the 2-packs, and they're all available at Target now. And they have some more information here of other cars and stuff that they have. Copyright 2021 down there. And you can find Johnny Lightning on Instagram, Facebook, and on YouTube for sneak peeks. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed it, like I said. And here's some more information right there. And don't forget to like this video. Give it a big thumbs up. Hit that like button. I appreciate it, guys. It really helps the channel a lot. And another thing that helps the channel is if you subscribe. So subscribe down below. It's free. And like that, you're more aware of when my videos come out. If you're subscribed, you will see them in your feed. All right, guys. Thanks a lot. I'll see you in the next video.